What's the best exercise to do on a chair at night? Before bed, no matter how busy, tired, or even lazy you feel, just practice these 3 simple exercises. These 3 movements can help keep your waist, hips, and legs strong for years to come, helping you stay active and independent as you age. They only take a few seconds to learn. If you find this helpful, save it and follow along. Exercise 1. Alternating foot taps. Do 100 reps daily. If your thighs feel weak or your knees feel uncomfortable, this exercise can help improve leg strength and mobility. Exercise 2. Feet together, front and back taps. Do 100 reps daily. If your stomach sticks out or your core feels weak, practice this movement regularly. Over time, you may notice better core strength and improved stability. Exercise 3. Side-to-side foot taps. Do 100 reps daily. If your legs feel stiff or less flexible, try this exercise. As you move your legs outward, focus on engaging your glutes. As you bring them back in, focus on your inner thigh muscles. Practice consistently and keep moving every day. If you learned something new, leave a thank you in the comments and let me know this was helpful. What's the best exercise you can do in a chair before bed? No matter how busy, tired, or lazy you feel, try these 3 simple chair exercises. Alternating foot taps 100 reps. Great for leg strength and knee mobility. Feet together forward and back taps 100 reps. Helps engage your core and improve stability. Side-to-side leg taps 100 reps. Works your hips, inner thighs, and overall mobility. Just a few minutes every night can help you stay active, strong, and moving with confidence. Do 100 seated leg raises every day, helping strengthen your lower abs. Do 100 knee drives every day, helping engage your upper abs. Do 100 cross-body movements every day, helping target your obliques and define your waistline. Do 100 core tightening movements every day, helping strengthen your core while activating your glutes and legs. A stronger core starts with showing up every day.
If you do 100 forward and back movements every day, your pelvic floor muscles may start feeling tighter and stronger. If you do 100 slow, circular hip movements, it may help improve pelvic health and mobility. If you move side to side 100 times, your lower belly and waist may start looking more toned. And if you do 100 gentle up and down hip bounces, your glutes can become more activated and lifted. Even those awkward little problems during running or jumping may start improving too.
No matter how weak or uncomfortable your knees feel, try practicing these 4 simple movements with me. Move 1. Pull your toes back and lift your heels. 100 reps daily. Move 2. Place your fists inside your knees and rotate your feet inward and outward. 100 reps daily. Move 3. Seated leg extensions. 100 reps daily. Move 4. Seated wide leg openings. 100 reps daily. Save this reel and try these simple knee-friendly exercises every day.